Genuinely, I'm excited about Android 16, so I'll show you guys the reasons why soon enough, alright? Before we start this video, I wanted to please like, share and subscribe, as well as turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any update from us as we discuss about iPhones, Android and gadget tips. Alright, so let's get started. Like I said earlier on, the Android 16 is here, but is your phone going to get it as well? Well, you need to understand that Google is pushing towards a more personalized, connected and secure user experience across their ecosystem, from their phones, cars, TVs, and wearable. Now, this Android 16 update set the stage for a smarter, more intuitive Android future, which is great. Now let's start with security. Now, security on Android phones is stepping up, especially when it comes to messaging. You see, it now detects newer, more sophisticated, seems like phishing text and fake toll messages before they reach you. Now, this means two things. It means that your inbox just got safer, and secondly, you don't have to spend money on any extra app, to remove those phishing or those fake bill or fake toll, messages. Then secondly, Find Hub. Now, if you've been using Android phones for a long time, you would know Android phones usually have what is called Find My Device. Recently, Google has rebranded Find My Device feature to Find Hub. Now, this Find Hub actually helps you by supporting trackers and helps to know the location or the exact location of your loved ones. Then thirdly, Gemini AI is everywhere, and Gemini AI is replacing Google Assistant. You see, Gemini AI is Android new brain, and this isn't just voice control. It's a personal assistant with serious IQ. This reminds me of Tom Cruise Mission Impossible Dead Reckoning. As if you watched it, then you understand. You see, Gemini AI is not just going to be on your phone. It's going to be on your TV, your car, and even your XR, glasses. So, what does Gemini AI, actually do? Well, you can ask questions and you will get, more than just, a generic answer. You will get summaries and interact naturally, like you're talking to, they're talking to your personal, you're talking to a person, a real life person. All right. Then fourthly, smarter notifications and live updates. To be honest, this feature is actually not new to Apple users. For those who is using the iPhone 14 Pro Max, you see, because there's actually a feature on the iPhone 14 Pro Max called the Dynamic Island. But anyways, when it comes to Android, this is a very big deal. You understand? Because now, live updates on the lock screen will highlight time-sensitive information like in navigation and food deliveries, which means you will never miss, what matters. All right. Then number 5, materially expressive. Android 16 just got personal. Arguably, this is the best feature on the Android 16, and which is actually the materially expressive. Do you know why? Well, you can now customize colors, fonts, and animations, which is great because now, you can give your own user interface a new look that adapts to you. Even your swipes now, they have haptic feedback. I know you might say, it's just vibration, but this adds a sense of digital touch, the digital experience. You see, Android 16 isn't just a functional tool or a functional feature. It's built, to reflect your style. So 6, Wear OS 6 levels up, your watch. You see, Wear OS 6 embraces the round screen and adds smoother transitions and boosts battery life by 10%. Like I said earlier on, Gemini AI is replacing Google Assistant, which means that there'll be more faster and natural interactions right on your wrist, which is great. So now we have known everything about, or at least most of the things about Android 16. So the big question is, what phones are going to get Android 16 and Gemini AI? Well, Pixel users will get Android 16 faster later this year, and these are the phones that are going to get, the Gemini, the Android 16 from Pixel 6, Pixel 6 Pro, Pixel 6a, all the way down to Pixel Fold. So in the coming weeks, I will tell you guys, Samsung phones and other smartphones that will get Android 16. So please do well to like, share and subscribe so you won't miss when I talk about that in the coming weeks. Alright, so anyways, thank you. My name is Iferia Ifeanyichukwu Conroy Ifemena. So see you next week, Monday, and so long.